Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm David.
I'm Kaylee.
And we run a travel and adventure blog called Made to Travel.
We are passionate about activities that get you outside and off the beaten path. And today we are hiking Pico Grande here in Madeira, Portugal.
This was one of the hikes that we weren't sure we were going to do. It was kind of up in the air, but we decided to do that, and we're so happy that we did because there has been almost no one on the trail and it has some beautiful views. Like definitely up there with Ruivo and Arieiro, which we did the other day.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a hidden gem in Madeira. It's not super blown up yet. We haven't barely seen anyone on the trail, and we'll just show you guys. The views are incredible. This hike is about 9 kilometers and probably around 500 meters of elevation. The first half is super flat, super easy. The second half is where you gain all of your incline.
Oh yeah, it's a grind and it's in the sun. So.
Yeah, but it's worth it. So we started this hike around 8:30 in the morning. We would definitely recommend that. It is beautiful to see the sun coming over the mountains here, and also it's a little bit cooler.
Yes, for sure. The trailhead for this hike is called Boca da Corrida. There are a few different starting points, but this one is the closest to Funchal, and it's also probably the shortest to Pico Grande.
And it's really well maintained too, which is really nice.
Yeah, we'll put the GPS coordinates in the description below.
This trail is on Maps.me, that's what we'd recommend following along with. But when you get to these signs, the first sign actually says Pico Grande on it, so you're going to turn right at that sign. But when you come to this fork, you're going to take this left, and you can kind of see that that's the area you'll be going. We made it to the top of Pico Grande. It is so beautiful. The chain actually wasn't that bad. It was, you don't really need it.
No.
Just helpful to have there.
It's like such an unbelievable hike and not that hard. So beautiful. You can see Ruivo and Arieiro in the background here. Just gorgeous, but it's like clear all around us.
Yeah, you can see ocean on pretty much all sides except for that one. And we saw one trail runner on this hike on the way up, so it's beautiful.
And it's only 25 minutes outside of Funchal.
Yeah, but the drive is something else. So prepare yourself for some very steep uphill roads.
It took us about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get up to the top and an hour back down to the car.
We spent about an hour and a half at the top though because it's so beautiful.
Yeah, getting so much footage.
Yeah, so just budget some extra time because you're gonna want to sit up there for a little while.
Did we already mention there's like no one on this hike, which is sweet. We only ran into one tour group on the way down, which was actually a bit of a surprise because other than that, there was only like 5 other people, which was really nice. If you haven't considered Pico Grande, definitely add it to your list. If you're coming to Madeira, it is beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you next week.